So, hello everyone. I'm so glad to be able to connect to all of you on the Dams Club, and we thought we'll have a quick chat and have a quick discussion on various things that a lot of students have been asking a lot of questions on the inbox. So we thought, why not discuss? So first and foremost, I see Nova asking us कि सर एग्जाम डिले हो गया है, अब क्या करना है. तो बेटा अभी मुझे ये लगता है कि थोड़ा सा हिम्मत रखनी पड़ेगी हमें, बिकॉज ये जो टाइम है बड़ा अनप्रेडिक्टेबल चल रहा है, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द अनप्रेडिक्टेबिलिटी ऑफ द टाइम वी हैव टू काइंड ऑफ balance the game, and we have to keep the mindset alive. It is more of a battle of mind right now and less of the content, because this exam was supposed to happen in January and already we are in June and we are still in unpredictability. And I know it is more a question of how you can remain mentally strong, and this is what I want you to do. I want you to remain more and more calm and more mentally strong.
And something that I would want to add is that it is a difficult phase, there is no doubt, and a lot of you keep messaging us that you're losing track, right, and you're not able to give many hours. So what I would suggest and have been suggesting people is that at this time do not really count the number of hours you are spending on study. I would just say that try and be consistent for at least a couple of hours in the morning, a couple of hours in the afternoon, and a couple of hours in the evening. So you could start with actually smaller, slots, maybe spend 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the afternoon, and 2 hours in the evening, right? And just ensure कि उस time पर आप definitely पढ़ाई करो, right? So make it like a rhythm, right? So make it like 2 to 4 every afternoon I will sit and do this. Right? It could be theory, it could be MCQs, it could be a test, right? It could be anything. So I want you all to make those time slots for yourself, right? So morning, afternoon and evening. छोटे से शुरू कर लो. Even if you find 2 hours at a stretch, maybe, इस time पे when there are so many things happening around you, you can reduce it to 1 hour and then gradually increase to 1.5 hours and then increase to 2 hours, and then we will see. So abhi consistency is more of the key rather than the absolute number of hours. So agar hum roz consistent ho rahe hain, even if it is for few hours, it will be fruitful, right? So that is the first thing that I really want to say, that especially people who feel that they have lost track completely, you will have to start off. So start small. Kahin to shuruaat karni padegi, right? Usko choti shuruaat karte hain, magar karte hain. And if you are meeting these targets, so maybe what you can do is start writing it on a piece of paper, like Monday, whether you've met your target or not, you can tick, and after 2 or 3 days you can send that snapshot to me as a message. Okay, so maybe usse kya hota hai, accountability aati hai. So let's do that. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday you make these time slots, और आप कोशिश करोगे कि उन टाइम स्लॉट्स पे आप जरूर बैठकर पढ़ाई करोगे, एंड देन यू विल टिक ऑन दोज टाइम स्लॉट्स, और 3 दिन के बाद यू विल क्लिक अ पिक्चर एंड यू विल सेंड इट टू मी, राइट? लेट्स होल्ड आवरसेल्व्स रिस्पॉन्सिबल, अकाउंटेबल फॉर व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन आवर लाइफ. सो ऐसे शुरुआत करते हैं, और फिर उसको हम और स्ट्रेटेजाइज करेंगे कि थियोरी कितना करना है, क्वेश्चन कब करना है, कैसे आप अपने आप को टारगेट्स दे सकते हो. बट अभी आई वांट ईच वन ऑफ यू टू वर्क ऑन द कंसिस्टेंसी. ओके?
And we are now doing a series of updates, and we are doing a lot of say innovation in the way teaching is done in the DAMS classes. So there are like some things that I thought we should be talking about, like to our students first. Number one is that in 2021 now, in July, in our face-to-face centers, and then in the app, in the Ultimate Live course, and in the satellite, we will be coming up with a curriculum which is called as the integrated curriculum. Now this is India's first such initiative where we will be doing teaching system wise. Now system-wise teaching would mean, and you will get this in your DAMS regular course. If you are already enrolled, you will be automatically upgraded into the integrated regular course. If you are in the Ultimate Live course, from July your cycle will start in an integrated manner. And if you are a satellite regular course, again, this course will be automatically upgraded for you. Now, what would happen in the integrated regular? I see a lot of students asking this query that what would happen in the integrated regular course. So we thought, let's cover it for you. Now, what we will do in the integrated regular is we will give you a 360-degree perspective. Now, perspective means like you are looking at heart from a cardiologist perspective, but in a different class, you are looking at heart from an anatomist perspective. Then you are looking at from the physiology part, then from the radiology part, and you are actually looking at the same organ system at different angles. What has been found out through a lot and lots of research and hard work by educationists world over is that if the educators, if the teachers, they go system wise, the understanding of the student would improve further. And we saw this when we did the last year's DVT, and we saw a massive shift in the understanding of the students. The students could understand even further, and that is where, and since that time, DAMS team has been working on a curriculum and methodology where the entire teaching would have a integrated timetable going on for you. Now, how will it, go about? So we've just taken a small example, in some subjects might be missing in this table. Don't worry about it. It is just a representation that we very quickly we thought about it. Now what will happen is, now there will be some subjects which can be integrated, some subjects which cannot be integrated, like, biochemistry, forensic. So the subjects which cannot be integrated will be conducted separately, and the ones which will be integrated will be conducted together. For example, if you have a cardiology class in the weekend, then in the weekday you will have anatomy, physiology, pathology, pharmacology, radiology to connect the dots. And we will have special classes on infections, on general part of radiology, general pharmacology. So what will happen is, in this integrated teaching, in the regular batch 2021 or in the ultimate app live course 2021 now, what will happen is the timetable will be so that you will not have to, do the, slogging के यार अभी anatomy नहीं आती मुझे, अब मैं कैसे surgery समझूंगा, अरे मुझे ये नहीं आता, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होगा, सब कुछ जुड़ जाएगा साथ में. Everything would be at the correct time as per, what we feel should be there. Like, मुझे लगता है कि जब medicine चल रही है तभी physiology चलने में ज्यादा समझ आती है. ये मेरा बहुत सालों से मानना है. द रीजन इज क्योंकि जब मैं कॉलेज में पढ़ रहा था, तो जब मैंने इंटर्नशिप में जाके गिनोंग पढ़ी, आई वाज लाइक यार फर्स्ट ईयर में कभी समझ ही नहीं आया था क्या चल रहा है. अब जाके पता चला फिजियोलॉजी में क्या करना चाहिए. वंस वी हैव डन द मेडिसिन, नाउ यू रियलाइज व्हाट इज सो इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड दैट इज व्हाट इज द की टू इंटीग्रेटेड लर्निंग. So what we will be doing with the entire academic team in DAMS is that we will create like a nitro boost for you. Like in car racing, you must have seen when you put on the nitro mode and you accelerate massively. So what will happen is कि जो भी अब तक समझा होगा वो उसमें इतने सारे गैप्स हैं आपके जो हम पूरा खत्म कर देंगे, क्योंकि सब कुछ जुड़ा हुआ पढ़ाई होगी. जैसे एक तरफ फिजियोलॉजी में एंडोक्राइन हो रहा है, एक तरफ मेडिसिन में हो रहा है, साथ में गाइनी एंडोक्राइन हो रहा है. तीनों चीजें जोड़ के हमने एक साथ सारा एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम 360 पर्सपेक्टिव आपके सामने रख दिया. So it has taken us a lots and lots of hard work to create this curriculum, and hats off to our faculty team who has kind of worked together to understand that this entire system is not about the thymine and adenine and all those components. It is about how they all join together to form a genetic code. Like in itself, the purine, pyrimidine, they would not make sense, but when I put them together, it will convert into magical understanding for you. So this is what has been the buzz around, and I keep seeing student asking me, sir, thoda sa samjha do integrated curriculum mein kya hoga. So I thought, we'll come live and talk about it.
And not just that, it is an integrated curriculum, but all 19 subjects would be covered, all topics will be covered, right? It's just the presentation is going to be different so that you're going to interlink things, because that is what is the new pattern of the exams as well. So even in NEET, when they ask you questions, they are asking in an integrated manner. They're already preparing you all for next, है ना? So वो long clinical STEM कहीं एक subject से शुरू हो रहे हैं, दूसरे और तीसरे subject पे भी जा रहे हैं. So that's exactly what we want to do. So everything will be covered just the way it is covered in a regular batch, but how we are going to connect the dots is going to be different, right? So that you get a full-fledged view of the entire thing at one go, and you are able to understand that how, different subjects can be asked in different formats, right? So that was another query that, are we going to cover all 19 subjects? The answer is yes. Okay, before...
And just one query I wanted to answer. A lot of students have been inboxing me कि सर जब curriculum नया शुरू होगा तो notes दोबारा बनाने हैं क्या? So what I'll say is कि अभी ना थोड़ा सा हमें उसे समझना है कि what the DAMS innovation is all about. Now what we have done is in our 2020 batch we have come up with a new set of books called as the concept books. Now these concept books, I'm sure you might have seen us showing you the concept books in different videos. These concept books are now classroom companions. So what you can do is, if you have made notes before, now you can use the classroom companion in this book, in this cycle. There will be classroom images in the concept books. There will be tables. It is like a full-fledged book of all the important concepts.
And if you have already done a part of the regular course with us this year, so as Dr. Sumay said, you will be automatically upgraded to the integrated regular course on your satellite sessions or on the Ultimate App Live or in face-to-face. And if you have previous notes from foundation batch or pre-foundation batch, the best way forward is to read up those notes before a class and come to the class with just empty sheets. What I would say that you should do in these integrated curriculums is get into the idea of drawing algorithms, right? So वो आपके notes को और concise करता है. Learn the idea of making mind maps, which is what I taught you last year in DVT as well, and I'm sure you're practicing it for different subjects. So convert those notes into algorithms, into mind maps, and so just sit with plain sheets of paper. So this is when you already have your notes. You have to sit with your concept books, because concept books are already carrying majority of the notes, images, tables, worksheets. So sit with your concept books in the class, right? And जो आपके पुराने notes हैं, आप उसको पढ़कर आओ. So in the foundation years or in the pre-foundation years, if you've done those things, then it's a very good idea. उससे क्या होता है ना, the class itself is a revision tool for you. And what happens is that if in the earlier sessions you were able to retain 50 to 60% of the class with this methodology, with algorithms and interconnections and mind mapping and how we will connect the subjects, you'll be able to retain much more and for a longer time as well. So we will use these sessions for revision as well. So, it is all up to you how you utilize your resources, how effective you make it.
I think, Dr. Deepti ने बहुत अच्छी बात बताई है कि कई बार ना बच्चे ये कह रहे हैं कि हमें खत्म करना है. मुझे ये कह रहा हूँ खत्म नहीं करना, रिटेन करना है. So with this curriculum, your retention will be improve a lot because everything will be in a 360 perspective. एक बच्चे ने पूछा सर ये DVT से अलग कैसे? अब ऐसे सोचते हैं DVT इसका ट्रेलर था. DVT was 60 hours of revision course done in an integrated manner. First time in India anybody had done a revision course in integrated manner was DAMS DVT 2020. This is the DAMS regular course. यानी कि पूरा का पूरा सिलेबस वो जो हम अपना 6, 7, 8 महीने पढ़ते हैं वो सारा इंटीग्रेटेड करिकुलम के अंदर हो तो कैसे मजा आएगा, है ना? आप समझ पा रहे हैं ना? सो डीवीटी वाज अ ट्रेलर, इट वाज लाइक अ 60 आवर इंटीग्रेटेड रिवीजन. दिस इज द एक्चुअल फुल सिलेबस ऑफ ऑल 19 सब्जेक्ट्स with integrated syllabus, linking everything together.
And then someone was asking how long will it take? So any regular course approximately takes 6 months. If it is done thoroughly. देखो हमें घास नहीं काटना है, right? It is not just, as sir said, it's not just finishing up with things. There is no point finishing it up if you are last in the race, right? Or second last. It only makes a difference if we are doing well. So, our idea is never to just finish it up or to wind it up. We are going to give the most high yielding things in a much better way, in a much precise, yet interconnected, yet thorough way, right? So the regular course approximately takes a span of 6 months to be done nicely, and that is what this is also going to take. So approximately 6 months is the time the course will take. Also, Rishabh had asked me, कि मैम will you cover entire OBS from 1st to 4th? ऋषभ, ऐसे 2 सेशंस होंगे, तो 1st to 4th एक बार होगा और फिर उसके बाद एक और बार ऐसे 4 days का सेशन होगा. So in which I would cover OBS and Gynae both. Okay?
And Dr. Arivandan has asked, will this be free for current year VSAT regular batch? Yes. So if you have joined regular batch in 2021, we will, in the next cycle, the entire teaching will become system wise, which will happen from July onwards. So it will be free for you. We are not charging you anything for if you are a current year regular course student. Now, reason we are doing this is because we have to understand what the exam board is thinking and we need to preempt this. माने जो एग्जाम सोच रहा है हम उससे पहले सोचेंगे तभी तो उसको हरा पाएंगे. Now, can you notice the NEET PG 2020 is one exam where they have not mentioned any subject-wise distribution, while in every other NEET PG in the past, they used to have clear-cut subject-wise distribution.
Yeah.
Did you notice that Medical Council of India, the erstwhile Medical Council of India, now it is National Medical Commission, had introduced a competency-based, horizontally and vertically integrated curriculum which is already running in the medical colleges. So we can already see the barriers of subjects are being dissolved by the exam boards right, left and center. I don't want you to be surprised in the exam, so I want to do it first. I want to make sure that when you attend our classes and when you see the exam, you find that it is in sync. You find, अच्छा, dams में भी system wise जा रहे थे, यहाँ पे भी system wise आ रहे हैं. That is what the entire beauty of the product will be. And not only this, what we will do is, after every system, we will have interactive sessions, because the beauty of the DAMS Ultimate Live course or the regular course is that on the app we have a two-way interactive platform. So on the two-way interactive platform, we will have doubt solving events. So I will get the panel on board like, मतलब मेरा system wise. मेरा ये मानना है, आप बच्चे से समझ जाएंगे कि बहुत सालों से मैं देख रहा हूँ कि कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट होता है जो फिजियोलॉजी में उसका आंसर कुछ और आ रहा होता है, एनेस्थीसिया के हिसाब से देखें तो कुछ और आ रहा होता है, या एंडोक्राइन में देखें तो कुछ और आ रहा होता है, हैरिसन में कुछ लिखा है, गेनोंग में क्या लिखा है. नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू इज वी विल गेट द स्पेशलिस्ट पैन बोर्ड अक्रॉस बोर्ड सिटिंग ऑन द टेबल विद यू एंड गिविंग यू द फाइनल कंसेंसस व्हिच इज नेवर बीन डन इन द इंडियन सिनेरियो एटलीस्ट. हार्वर्ड में, मेयो में, बड़े बड़े कॉलेजेस में, बाहर में जरूर हो रहा है, इंडिया में लेकिन जहां मैं उसको लेके आऊंगा कि जैसे इन्फेक्शन हो रही हैं तो इन्फेक्शन हो रही है, अगले दिन एंटी माइक्रोबियल हो रहा है, एंड वी आर कनेक्टिंग एवरीथिंग टुगेदर. एंड देन वो दोनों इकट्ठे बैठ के डाउट सॉल्व भी कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि कभी कभी क्या होता है ना कि ड्रग ऑफ चॉइस में थोड़ा कंट्रोवर्सी आ जाता है या ऑर्गेनिज्म में आ जाता है. वी विल काइंड ऑफ assimilate together, we will summarize, we will make sure that you are in the best possible position in the exam. You are with the best people and you should get the best ranks possible. Okay, and so not only that, I just wanted to add one more line here, just to make sure that everybody understands that this integrated course will be available for the regular course students who have already enrolled, and the ones who will enroll now, they will get the integrated curriculum.
Right.
I also want to tell all these students, the ones that have written on the screen, एक तो रेगुलर वाले, फेस टू फेस वाले भी, सैटेलाइट वाले भी, और अल्टीमेट ऐप वालों को, उनको सिस्टम वाइज तो मिलेगा, जो सब्जेक्ट वाइज टीचिंग अब तक हुई थी उनके वीडियो में मिलेगा. सो उनके पास डे 1 अगर वो ज्वाइन करते हैं तो सारे सब्जेक्ट्स की वीडियो होंगे और उसके आगे सिस्टम वाइज टीचिंग भी चल रही होगी.
राइट. सो दिस इज एक्चुअली समथिंग व्हिच इज गोइंग टू बी अ यूएसपी. सो ऑल यू पीपल हैव जॉइंड ईदर अल्टीमेट ऐप लाइव और सैटेलाइट रेगुलर और फेस टू फेस रेगुलर. You are already doing your subject-wise curriculum, and that will be carry forward as well. So when you join, you will have all those subject-wise videos also with you, and along with that, you will now get live sessions of these integrated teaching, and again, the backup videos will also be provided. So you will actually have both. You will have a subject-wise entire video library with you, which is going to be current year, your current classes video library, and along with that you will have the entire video library and live classes of the integrated sessions. Also somebody, I think Mihir ने पूछा है कि ma'am will clinical questions be covered? Absolutely yes, Mihir. अगर आप देखोगे तो this year's regular course, we are already integrating MCQs in between. Now, when it comes to integrated sessions, all you regular batch students are having access to live integrated sessions which are happening every Tuesday. Right? So, हर Tuesday को live integrated sessions होते हैं where we are covering integrated MCQs by different faculties together. So, if it is cardiac, we may combine cardiac medicine and cardiac pharma. Sometimes we may combine cardiac medicine with cardiac anat, right? So every Tuesday you have to log in for those sessions as well. They are included in the regular course program. So whatever we do new, regular batch में वो सब कुछ मिलता है. It is a premium batch. Yes, so you are getting those access. Apart from that, to add, cherry on the cake or icing or topping is your clinical grand rounds. Now these are live sessions every Wednesday. So every Tuesday and Wednesday at 9 p.m. we want you to log in. How is clinical grand rounds different from integrated sessions? That in grand rounds, it is not different subjects together. It is one subject, but only clinical aspect. So we may take you to the OT and show you a procedure. We may take you to the ER. We may take you to the ICU. We may take you to the OPD, but it's going to be one subject in clinical grand rounds. And in integrated sessions on every Tuesdays, it is going to be MCQs. Okay, it is going to be integrated MCQ discussions for good 1.5 hours by different faculties together. So yes, all of this is going to be included in your regular batch, no matter where you join, whether you join on the app in the form of Ultimate App Live, or you join in the satellite regular, or you've enrolled in for face-to-face regular. Okay.
So I hope, this has given you some perspective that, because I saw a lot of questions about कि integrated curriculum क्या है, मैं उसको दोबारा repeat करूंगा. Integrated curriculum में 3 चीजें अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे. पहला कि जो क्लासेस होंगी उसका शेड्यूल ऐसे होगा कि जो टॉपिक आपस में जुड़ाव है जिनके अंदर, जो हमें इतने सालों से पता है, एंड वी विल बी डूइंग देम इन अ सीक्वेंस वेयर एवरीथिंग विल फ्लो लाइक म्यूजिक टू यू. जो मुझे लगता है कि जैसे अगर वो आपको जैसे सर्जरी हो रहा है, आपको पता ही नहीं कि पेरिटोनियम का फोल्ड कहां पे, तो आप वो सोच नहीं पा रहे थे, लेकिन अब वो जुड़ जाएगा, सब साथ में होगा. ये दूसरा, हफ्ते में 1 दिन 2 टीचर मिलके भी पढ़ाएंगे, और हर सिस्टम के बाद एक सारे टीचर मिलके एक बोर्ड में बैठ के आपके साथ फिर दोबारा डाउट सॉल्विंग करेंगे. स्टडी मटेरियल कॉन्सेप्चुअल बुक्स की तरह होगा, जिसमें सिर्फ कॉन्सेप्ट्स होंगे, फैक्ट्स हटा के हमने उसको बहुत ही प्योर कॉन्सेप्चुअल बुक विद विजुअल्स विद क्लासरूम कंपेनियंस बना दिया.
आई थिंक थोड़ा सा दिख भी कम रहा है, कोशिश करते हैं. So S. Neelam is asking me, how is this concept book different from the previous CRS? It's a complete revamp, S. Neelam. Okay, so it's a complete revamp. So पहली चीज तो ये है, it is core conceptual, and it is going to give you the clinical information that you need in the applied format. So Dr. Samir is going to try and zoom. So we've given you key things in tabulated manner. Right? Key things about a particular topic that you absolutely need to know. Okay? So it's given like this. All the images of your class are going to be covered in here itself. The images come with a lot of blank spaces which you can use to add your own things. It comes with all the details that are asked about a particular image in various formats. Then apart from that, we have at the end of every topic, we have given clinical cases also. For example, here you can see a sample clinical case, right? So that's how it goes. So the entire management has been concised, the entire topic has been concised, and then you will be given a sample clinical case as well. And at the end of every chapter, there are going to be worksheets. Okay. So yes, I've converted everything into very, very informative clinical information. Concise. In fact, ये concept books are going to be the thing even for your revision close to the exam. इनसे revision करना बहुत आसान होगा, और ये सब कुछ cover करेंगे जो आपको revision में cover करना चाहिए, yet keeping it very very concise but very very high yielding.
और ना हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया है कि जहाँ पे कहीं क्वेश्चन बैंक से एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट डालने हैं, या
we've given you spaces for that.
I think we can zoom out. I think so. What we've done here is we have created blank spaces के DQB से कुछ ऐड करना हो तो, या कहीं पे कोई टेबल को खुद से लेबल करना है, खुद से उसको बनाना है. We've did all those hard work. मतलब it's like one of the dream dams project. लेकिन अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे, and I want to draw inspiration, I want कि आपको भी इस बात से लगे कि हाँ यार, ये एक बात इन्होंने की कि जब पूरी दुनिया लॉकडाउन में बैठी थी और क्लासेस में टीचर ट्रैवल नहीं कर रहे थे, तो टीचर खाली नहीं बैठे थे, उन्होंने काम किया, उन्होंने कई चीजों पे काम किया और कॉन्स्टेंटली करते जा रहे हैं. इफ यू माइट हैव नोटिस्ड, हमने आपके ऑनलाइन टेस्ट सीरीज में एक नया सेट ऑफ SWT भी अपलोड कर दिया, उसके वीडियो सोल्यूशंस भी डाल दिए. INI CET का CBT अभी किया, जो आपने उसके अंदर वीडियो सोल्यूशंस भी किया. सारे बुक्स को कॉन्सेप्ट्स की तरह से रीमोल्ड कर दिया हमने पूरा करिकुलम को बैठ के ब्रेनस्टॉर्म करके रीमॉडिफाई किया, एंड विल कीप मोल्डिंग. मैं ये कह ही नहीं रहा कि मैं परफेक्ट हूं, मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि मैं कॉन्स्टेंटली इंप्रूव करूंगा और मैं और इंप्रूव करूंगा. जैसे मैं एक चीज और आपको दिखाना चाहता हूं. आई एम श्योर सम ऑफ यू माइट हैव सीन इट ऑलरेडी. वी हैव एडेड इन अवर DQB अ स्पेशल सेक्शन ऑन सिस्टम वाइज क्वेश्चंस. ये हमने क्यों ऐड किया? क्योंकि हमें लगता है कि जब टीचिंग सिस्टम वाइज हो रही होगी तो आपको कोई एक ऐसा रिसोर्स भी तो चाहिए होगा जहां सिस्टम वाइज प्रैक्टिस कर पाओगे. सो इन DQB वी हैव एडेड अ सिस्टम वाइज क्यू बैंक. सो आई एम श्योर ऑल ऑफ यू मस्ट हैव ऑलरेडी बीन सीन. और जो हमारे बच्चे जो एक्सटेंशन कोर्स में है उन सब के लिए भी हमने ये सब इंक्लूड कर दिया.
You're getting all the access in the extension course itself. So whatever new things we are adding, which will be very, very useful even for your upcoming NEET exam. So please understand, NEET exam को उन्होंने already they are taking it a one step forward. वो subject wise division हटा रहे हैं, टाइम उतना ही रखा है, लंबे क्वेश्चंस होंगे. सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी क्लिनिकल, इट्स गोइंग टू बी इंटीग्रेटेड, राइट? सो द एंटायर मूव इज टुवर्ड्स कन्वर्टिंग इट इनटू अ क्लिनिकल फॉर्मेट.
ओके, एंड एक और मैं यहां बताना चाहता हूं कि वी हैव ऑल्सो एडेड अ लॉट ऑफ क्लिनिकल विनियट्स इन द मिक्स्ड बैग क्लिनिकल विनियट सेक्शन. वी हैव एडेड क्लिनिकल विनियट्स ऑन कोविड कैप्सूल सेक्शन. वी हैव एडेड ऑल अप टू डेट इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन कोविड एज फार एज जून 2021 इज कंसर्न इन द एम्स कैप्सूल. उसमें कोविड के ऊपर पूरा अभी जून तक का सारा अपडेट है. अब एग्जाम और डिले हो जाएगा तो कोशिश करेंगे अगर कुछ और नया कोई वैक्सीन आती है, कोई दवाई भगवान बनाता है तो वो जरूर हम आपके लिए वो भी हम आपको बताएंगे. और मुझे लगता है वो तो पूरी दुनिया को वैसे भी पता चल जाएगी कि अगर somebody makes a landmark discovery or something, वो आ जाएगा. But we'll definitely we are working on everything. That is one thing that I wanted to reassure you. So and I also want you to see, आपने concept books के साथ में मैं चाहता हूं आप जरूर देखिए. When you go to the study section of your eMedicos app at the bottom, you will see a link saying QBank test series and one will say CRS. When you click on the CRS, you will see the each book, concept book का हर chapter के ऊपर we have given a audio talking book or a podcast on each chapter. So you can actually hear the teacher teach you each chapter कि इस line को कैसे पढ़ना है. Once this all gets into your habit, I have a feeling that we might actually replace your books and everything that you're reading, and we might actually give you a composite solution. System-wise teaching, concept books, system-wise QBank, tests, multiple subject-wise tests in your online login, talking books where every chapter has a podcast, and this is already there in your login. You can actually check it out.
Okay, Dishika, मैंने ये क्वेश्चन आपका पहले आंसर किया, right? So she's asking, we already have notes which are subject wise. How do we go about in the integrated sessions? So Dishika, you will have the schedule with you beforehand. So you know what subject is coming up. For example, let's say cardiovascular system is going to come up this week, right? और medicine वाले आपको cardiovascular system पढ़ाएंगे. So what you can do is, or I would want you to do is, read up your notes before you come to the integrated sessions, the ones that you already have. In the integrated session, I would want you to come with, blank sheets of paper. And I want you to learn the integration itself. So I want you to convert everything into algorithms or into mind maps or into simpler image formats where you're linking different subjects together so that you have a gross picture on how a presentation could be asked anatomically, but how it could also be asked surgically, right? So that's what we want you to do. We want you to learn to make things more crisp, concise, but yet keep it very high yielding and keep it very, very clinical as well. Okay?
So I see some questions by S नीलम कि सर टॉकिंग CRS. हाँ बेटा, टॉकिंग CRS जो थी पहले वो CRS पे बेस्ड थी जो हमारा पॉपुलर सीरीज थी. नाउ वी हैव चेंज CRS इनटू कॉन्सेप्ट बुक्स. मतलब हमने क्या किया, आई वांट यू टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड हियर मी आउट. व्हाट वी हैव डन इज फ्रॉम कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव सीरीज, सी द वर्ड कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव में मतलब सब कुछ था. अब क्या हो गया कि एग्जाम में धीरे धीरे फैक्ट कम आ रहे हैं तो हमने कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव में से थोड़े से फैक्ट्स को कम करके उसमें से कॉन्सेप्ट्स को एक एक पेज में डाल दिया. यानी वी हैव डिवाइडेड वन चैप्टर इनटू 20 कॉन्सेप्ट्स फॉर एग्जांपल. तो देयर विल बी कॉन्सेप्ट नंबर 1.1, कॉन्सेप्ट नंबर 1.2 एंड ईच कॉन्सेप्ट वुड हैव अ टेबल, एल्गोरिथम एंड टेक होम मैसेज. मतलब वो इस तरह से बनाया गया है कि इफ समबडी डजंट नो, जैसे किसी को पता ही नहीं कि मुझे सब्जेक्ट में क्या पढ़ना है, तो उसके सामने एक पूरा लिस्ट है, उसको पता चल जाएगा ये 15 कॉन्सेप्ट है, ये 20 कॉन्सेप्ट है, यही करने हैं, ये सबसे हाई यील्ड है.
नॉट जस्ट दैट, एक कॉन्सेप्ट के अंदर टिपिकली मुझसे क्या क्या पूछा जा सकता है, राइट? एंड देन दे हैव बीन गिवन इन द इजियर फॉर्मेट्स टू यू. मोस्ट ऑफ इट इज ऑलरेडी रिटन, सो आपका क्लास का राइटिंग भी कम हो जाएगा. यू कुड जस्ट ओपन योर बुक्स, You don't need the images. They're all there. You have blank sheets. You could put your details if you want, right? So everything has been converted into one solid thing, which I told you, our idea of making it was that it should be something that you're also able to revise close to an exam. जब बच्चे को समझ में नहीं आता कि मैं अपने bulk को कैसे कम करूं, that is where this is also going to come very, very handy, right? So you could just go over and over again to the concept books and read it and read those things which are given in tables and easier ways to learn, or do worksheets. उससे तो सब कुछ ही एक साथ रिवाइज हो जाएगा, right?
अच्छा, अब ना लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हैव आस्क्ड दिस क्वेश्चन कि सर मैं फाइनल ईयर में आ गया हूं अभी एंड आई वांट टू डू ऑल 19 सब्जेक्ट्स, आई वांट टू डू इन इंटीग्रेटेड मैनर, व्हाट ऑप्शंस डू आई हैव? सो आई विल रिपीट इट अगेन फॉर यू that this integrated course is available as a regular course for both face-to-face students and satellite students. It will start in July and it will also start on the app in the Ultimate App Live course in July. तो मतलब द मीडियम इज इमटेरियल, वो ना एक बहुत पुरानी बात थी कि कैसे मोड में पढ़ना है. मैं तीनों मोड में कह रहा हूं. आप चाहे फेस टू फेस पढ़ना चाहते हैं, आप सैटेलाइट सेंटर में पढ़ना चाहते हैं, आप ऐप पे पढ़ना चाहते हैं, तीनों पे इंटीग्रेटेड करिकुलम हम इंप्लीमेंट करेंगे. यू कैन ज्वाइन एनीवेयर एज पर योर कंफर्ट एंड योर रूटीन्स. Okay, but what we have done here is, because we know that a lot of our students would be joining the integrated regular program that we have launched. So on the app Ultimate Live course till June 30, we are, because the course will start in July, so we are keeping a pre-launch offer of with a coupon code pre-launch 25. So because a lot of students were requesting us कि sir can you help us in the cost and can you do this, so we thought कि एक सबके लिए बना देते हैं कि we are doing in this month, if anybody joins the Ultimate Live course on the eMedicos app before the actual integrated curriculum is starting, so you will get a 25% off if you use the coupon code pre-launch 25.
And as we mentioned previously, in this Ultimate App Live, you will not only get the integrated regular new live sessions, you will also get the entire subject-wise video library as well, fully loaded
on the day one.
On the day one you join, right? So you'll have a fully loaded video library, subject-wise video library with you already. Okay, एक doubt है Anandita का. She says she has already completed 19 subjects in the 3rd and the 4th year, and now she is doing her internship. What videos should she see? So Anandita, the best thing for you is the master plan beta. It is current year regular live classes. They're not old lectures, so they're fully updated. They are for the regular batch, so which means they contain the information that you really need for the upcoming exams. It is going to be the best companion when clubbed with TND as well. So a lot of students, when they are doing TND, they say कि मैम मेरा ये मिस हो गया था, मुझे नोट्स में से अब ये समझ नहीं आ रहा है, right? And then whatever gaps you have, जैसे Anandita आपने तो all 19 किए हैं, but there are a lot of students who could have missed a few subjects for XYZ reason. So along with test and discussion, the master plan is like the best combination, especially for your internship year and your final year as well, right? So sometimes students who join us early, they already finish all 19 subjects before they start their final year. Right, so even in the final year, you could use the master plan as well, and we have.
I'll definitely add a line here. देखो, एक तो ना आपने एक बार पढ़ लिया सारे सब्जेक्ट्स, अब आपने टेस्ट एंड डिस्कशन में आ गए आप इंटर्नशिप के अंदर, और आप उसको नोट्स को रिवाइज कर रहे हैं, अप्लाई कर रहे हैं. बट समटाइम्स यू फील, एंड वी बीन हियरिंग स्टूडेंट्स टेलिंग अस कि सर कुछ डाउट रह गए हैं मेरे जो मुझे दोबारा सुनने हैं, लेकिन पूरा नहीं दोबारा सुनना, कुछ पार्ट किसी सब्जेक्ट में कुछ देखना है. सो वी केम अप विद द आइडिया ऑफ द डैम्स मास्टर प्लान विच हैज 2021 प्री रिकॉर्डेड सब्जेक्ट वाइज ऑल लेक्चर्स. And you can actually subscribe to this with a discount coupon which I have written on the top, which is coupon code is PRENEET20, again valid for this month.
Yes.
Now what another thing that we were thinking is, a lot of students have asked us a question कि सर मुझे ना नीट पीजी के बाद ना दिल्ली आके गौतम नगर में या करोल बाग में आपके साथ रेगुलर कोर्स में पढ़ना था, और लेकिन क्योंकि लॉकडाउन हो गया, एग्जाम डिले हो गया, अब मैं आ नहीं पा रहा हूँ, एंड आई एम काइंड ऑफ कंफ्यूज्ड कि मैं इस एग्जाम की तैयारी भी नहीं कर पा रहा हूं, अगले की भी नहीं कर पा रहा हूं, मुझे पता नहीं 2022 की भी तैयारी नहीं हो रही, 2021 की भी नहीं हो रही. So what we have done is we have come up with a plan that in the DAMS master plan there is a short subscription also now for 3 months.
Yeah.
So what we can do is what we have thought is कि अगर कोई बच्चे ने बाद में दिल्ली आके फेस टू फेस क्लासरूम ज्वाइन करना था, तो he can join a master plan for 3 months with a 20% discount with the pre-NEET coupon. And when he comes to Delhi to join the face-to-face class, we will help him with the fees to, kind of adjust what he has paid and, give him a discount to help him out. तो मुझे ये लगता है कि आज के टाइम को देखते हुए टू इनफाइनाइटली वेस्ट टाइम इज नॉट रिकमेंडेड. इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट टू स्टार्ट ये ना हो, क्योंकि द बिगेस्ट चैलेंज विल नॉट बी विद द पीपल हु आर अपेयरिंग फॉर नीट पीजी 2021. Biggest challenge will be for people who will not get through NEET PG 2021 and who have to appear for NEET PG 2022. I want you to hear me out and understand the future. The problem is कि देखो अभी जो NEET PG 2021 बच्चे दे रहे हैं उनको तो 2 साल मिलके लगभग पढ़ने के लिए एक तरह से, और कुछ बच्चे थे जिन्होंने सोचा था कि हम अपना इंटर्नशिप खत्म करेंगे, कोविड ड्यूटी करेंगे, उसके बाद पढ़ना शुरू करेंगे, और अभी उन्होंने एग्जाम को डिले कर दिया और अगले एग्जाम की डेट नहीं बताई. अगला एग्जाम अगर अप्रैल में आता है तो इफेक्टिवली टाइम बिटवीन दिस नीट एंड द नेक्स्ट नीट इज रिड्यूस्ड. सो इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट टू प्रीएम्प्ट दैट एज वेल एज प्लान इट लाइक दैट. सो हमें लगा कि इफ वी कैन एड सम सजेशंस हियर इट माइट हेल्प.
Ashik Ike, can we go only for the integrated course? I mean, yes, you can do it entirely on the app, right, where it is just going to be the integrated course. I did not understand when you say only go for integrated course. You can enroll for the integrated course. Since it's a regular course, it will have all the inclusions of a regular course. So they come with the regular course, right? So उसमें सारे inclusions होते ही हैं. So integrated regular में भी inclusions होंगे, right? Because it is actually a regular course by itself.
So the DAMS Ultimate App Live course includes the online test series, the DQB, and online test series now includes 2 sets of SWTs. So उसके अंदर लगभग आई थिंक हर सब्जेक्ट के 2 SWTs हैं, 2 वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस हैं, और ग्रैंड टेस्ट एवरी मंथ वी आर ऑल्सो एडिंग मॉक टेस्ट, मोर एंड मोर मॉक टेस्ट फॉर योर प्रैक्टिस, एंड वी विल कीप एडिंग देम बिकॉज वी नो द एग्जाम इज डिलेड एंड वी विल ट्राई अवर बेस्ट टू गिव यू मोर एंड मोर प्रैक्टिस. And another thing that we thought we will add, because a lot of people have been asking us this query, कि sir e-medicos पे there are 2 kind of TNDs. One is NEET PG and one is INI CET. तो मैं कौन सा ज्वाइन करूं? So what I believe is that I'll explain the difference between the 2 TNDs. NEET PG TND is the classic DAMS TND. जो आपके सीनियर ने बोला था DAMS TND और आपने सबसे सुना था, वो NEET PG TND है. Now, in this, we cover both the topics and the way of questions important for NEET as well as for INI CET. We will cover for both. वो पूरा comprehensive course है जो classic हमारा TND है. INI CET TND has been specially designed for students who are targeting the INI CET. It has questions in the style and frame of the central institutes. It has topics which are more favorite of JIPMER, more favorite of AIIMS, that we have analyzed over the years and we know इनको ये तो पूछने का है, तो वो उसके अंदर हमने उसको स्पेशलाइज्ड कोर्स बनाया अलग से. सो बेस्ड ऑन द काइंड ऑफ एस्पिरेशंस यू हैव, यू कैन ज्वाइन ईदर ऑफ द 2. इफ यू आर नॉट श्योर व्हाट टू ज्वाइन, देन NEET PG TND is the DAMS classic test and discussion course that a lot of people had asked us to cover. And I want you to know कि अभी TND is also available on the eMedicos app also. It is not just on the face-to-face center, satellite, और app पे भी आप join कर सकते हैं. और even when you join on a face-to-face center or a satellite center, you get the app access of that course in all courses now. So DAMS is now totally evolved into a hybrid platform, जहां पे आप face-to-face भी अगर कोर्स ज्वाइन करते हो तो सब कुछ ऐप पे भी आपको मिलता है, so that you have a backup to see again. मतलब we have now created almost the perfect dream that we had when we started off 20 years earlier कि क्या होना चाहिए टीचिंग के अंदर, हम वहां तक पहुंच गए हैं. लेकिन मैं ये नहीं कह रहा परफेक्ट हो गए, मैं रोज इंप्रूव करूंगा, रोज मेहनत करूंगा, लेकिन हम काफी हद तक वहां आ गए. जो मेरा शुरू से सपना था कि एक ऐसी अंडरस्टैंडिंग को जो एक एवरेज बच्चे को भी टॉप नॉच रैंक लाने पे समर्थ ला पाए, है ना. सो व्हाट वी हैव डन इज 360 पर्सपेक्टिव इन एवरीथिंग. वी हैव क्रिएटेड नाउ द डोमेन इज नाउ फ्लूइड. मतलब आप मीडियम आपके ऊपर है कि आप कहते हो सर मुझे प्री रिकॉर्डेड पढ़ना है, देयर इज अ प्रोग्राम. आप कहते हो मुझे इंटरैक्टिव पढ़ना है, ऐप पे भी है. मुझे फेस टू फेस पढ़ना है, वो भी प्रोग्राम है. सर मुझे सैटेलाइट सेंटर मेरे कॉलेज के पास है, मैं दोस्तों के साथ बैठ के पढ़ूंगा लेकिन इंटरैक्टिव पढ़ूंगा, वो भी हमने क्रिएट कर दिया. सो वी हैव टेक्नोलॉजी वाइज वी आर नाउ ऑन अ फेयरली डिसेंट प्लेस. वी विल कीप इंप्रूविंग, बट दैट इज फॉर श्योर. वी विल कीप इंप्रूविंग. वी आर वर्किंग डे एंड नाइट ऑन एवरीथिंग.
Okay. There are a couple of queries now. Nabudita and S. Neelam is asking when do we plan to start face to face. So please understand that that when you say when do we plan, it is not really us who is planning these things
PM
right
and
now.
CMs.
Yes, these things are very, very political, and we are no longer the planners here. Right, we have to simply be the followers because it's pandemic, so they have to allow for the classes. But we definitely think by this month end, a lot of states would give us the permission, so we are waiting for those permissions. But as Dr. Sumay said, to make things easier for you, especially because Delhi में बहुत सारे हमारे बच्चे बाहर से आके पढ़ते थे, they used to stay with us. Right, so if you really want to do that, what we have done, especially for the Delhi batch, is that you could take short-term subscription of the master plan, right, like 3-month subscription. And when you come to us, we will help you convert that subscription. We'll adjust that amount and convert you into upgrade you into the face-to-face program, so that you don't waste your time in the preparation or waiting for it to start.
I wanted to add one thing which should be clear now. कि अभी जैसे ही इंटीग्रेटेड करिकुलम शुरू करेंगे हम बच्चों जुलाई के अंदर, सो व्हाट विल हैपन इज कि जुलाई में हम सारे सेंटर्स के जैसे बैंगलोर है, हैदराबाद, Delhi, we will start the face-to-face classes on the app also.
Yes.
So that now, so what will happen? There will be a schedule, and your batch face-to-face class will also start on the app. Yes. So that if any center is in a lockdown or the government is not allowing to open, that on that weekend itself the class will happen. So there is no delay in any curriculum. Even each center, there will be a separate batch running on the app once the integrated curriculum is launched.
Once the integrated curriculum is launched, you will have your own center-wise classes where only your group from the particular center will be attending those live classes. Every state, every center will have their own window to attend these live classes, right? And this is what we wanted to say. Also, a couple of you are asking that Debargia is asking, can foundation batch students also attend? So, there is a provision where you can upgrade. So you can maybe get in touch with your local coordinator, but you can upgrade your foundation course to the integrated program as well. There are options like that. Okay. Now, then there are queries that, what about TND? So please understand, TND is already, we are giving you access to a lot of things. ऐसा नहीं है कि TND को हम access नहीं देते हैं. So you're already getting access to the integrated sessions which are being held every Tuesday. Those are MCQ discussions, and those are integrated MCQ discussions every Tuesday, and they will continue throughout the year. We are not going to stop those sessions. And every session is given to you as a video backup, so you can see them later as well. You can attend it live as well. Okay, and every Wednesday again the TND students have access to clinical ground rounds. Please remember, they will give you an extra edge. I can give it to you in writing. These two things together are going to give you the thing that you need to attempt MCQs, and especially to have an edge over others. So clinical grand rounds and integrated sessions, and the TND people have already been given access to it. If you see, our TND papers are way advanced as compared to the changes announced by the government. So जब next आया भी नहीं था या NEET clinical नहीं भी हुआ था, अगर आप देखोगे हमारे clinical subjects के papers, medicine, surgery, OG, वो already ही clinical vignette format में है. We are hardly asking any one-liners in the TND. Even if we have to ask, we will ask them in a clinical format, because some facts are important. Application of those facts is important for clinical questions. So already the papers are upgraded. They are clinical vignettes. They are in the form of long stem questions. They have all types of MCQs as well. So TND papers are our USP. They have been, not in terms of only their hit rate, but the amount of coverage and how updated they are with respect to the new curriculum. So be rest assured that TND that you are doing is going to cater to all the needs that you have. Okay.
And not only this, there are, some things that we have now planned for the students who have to appear for the exam this year. We have scheduled the next CBT, which will be on the NEET PG pattern, 200 questions, new pattern, on August 8 in simulated computer centers. You can register for this exam on cbt.damsilly.com till the I think next month mid, there is the last date of registering is. This paper would have video solutions and the All India ranking, just like we did for the INI CBT. And just make sure that you note the date, so that if just in case the NEET PG is announced around this date, we might look at shifting the date here and there. But as of now, the date is this, because now the court has also ordered, and the government also has been given a directive that the exam date should be announced at least 1 month in advance. So लगता नहीं कि वो इस जुलाई में अगर अनाउंस करेंगे तो अगस्त की मिड के बाद ही होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि अब वो कोर्ट ने भी गवर्नमेंट को डायरेक्टली बोला है कि भाई 1 महीना बोला है जब पीएमओ ने, तो फिर वो क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो. तो लेट्स बी ऑन दैट नोट.
Okay, so I'll take up 2 queries. I will take Beshali's query first, and then I will answer Ruchira's query. Beshali is asking, will the integrated classes have video backup on the e-medicos? Absolutely yes. Every live class that we do will have a video backup on the app, and that is why I said that the regular batch of this year will have 2 types of video libraries. One would be subject-wise video library, which has the current year all live classes in the form of subject-wise division. And then they will have an entire video library of integrated classes as well. So regular batches will have an advantage. They will have everything. As I said, we give access of everything to the regular batch. Now I will answer Ruchira's query. Absolutely yes, Ruchira. Let us know what you want to know. We are here to guide you. So, you are asking me how to go forward. So you have to be more precise on what your query is. Ruchira, सबसे पहले तो अगर आप अभी का NEET, you are preparing for the upcoming NEET exam, the first thing that when we came live and I started with addressing you people only, right? That you have to first ensure that you are being consistent in your study schedule. A lot of you don't have a study schedule now. एक दिन पढ़ते हैं, फिर 2 दिन नहीं पढ़ते हैं, फिर गिल्ट होता है, फिर वापस पढ़ते हैं. So इससे अच्छा मैं ये बोलूंगी, instead of trying to study for 10 hours in a day, start small and form a schedule that you will study at least for 1.5 hour slot, morning, afternoon, evening. एक अपना टाइम टेबल बनाओ. 1.5 to 2 hour मॉर्निंग में जरूर पढ़ना है, आफ्टरनून में जरूर पढ़ना है, इवनिंग में जरूर पढ़ना है. उसको टिक मार्क करो, और मैंने बोला 3 दिन के बाद मुझे स्नैपशॉट भेजो that you have been accountable for the promise you made. So first thing is starting small and ensuring that you are consistent. The second thing is, ma'am, I feel I don't know what to study right now. And that is why I always tell my students who all inbox me that it is very important to do a target oriented study. राइट मतलब कि आप किसी टारगेट के लिए पढ़ रहे हो, और आप खुद ही देखो जब टारगेट आपसे छीन लिया गया, व्हेन देयर इज अनसर्टेनिटी कि एग्जाम पता नहीं कब होगा, 50% of you are actually not able to study simply because they took away your target. और वो तो long term target था. What I want you to do is, I want you to make short term targets for yourself, and that is why बच्चे following up with a TND is an excellent way to keep yourself going. There are various options. You could do an INI CET TND, which we have given as an extension course. It has all the inclusions plus the latest INI CET TND test papers as well, which will help you to study, right? The other options are fast track and clinical vignette TNDs. They are all available for short term durations as well. So, you could take any one of them depending on आपने कौन सा पहले किया है और कौन सा नहीं किया है. और इस टीएनडी के स्केड्यूल से अपना स्केड्यूल मैच करो और उसके लिए पढ़ाई करनी शुरू करो. द आइडिया इज सेम. व्हेन यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर अ टीएनडी, फोकस ऑन योर क्लास नोट्स, प्रैक्टिस एटलीस्ट 100 MCQs एवरी डे एंड फिनिश द सिलेबस इन द स्टिपुलेटेड टाइम. खुद से करना है ये, राइट? सो दोज आर द ऑप्शंस दैट यू हैव. इफ यू फील कि नहीं, TND is not solving my purpose, I want to watch the videos, then you can take the short-term master plan as well, which will have, the videos of current year live lectures. So you could do the videos. It also has DQB in it. It also has DVT in it, right? So, test series in it. So you will get those things also, right? The other video options are a crash course, which again has concise, high-yielding videos from last year. Okay, so that is the difference. Master plan is current year regular batch videos 2021. Crash course is the most high yielding concise videos of last year lockdown, right? So those are the options you have. So all you have to do is number one, start small. Okay. Second, ensure that you are consistent. So ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि एक दिन बहुत सारी पढ़ाई और फिर 2 दिन बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ाई, right? So start small. The second is consistency. The third is give yourself targets. जरूरी नहीं है कि आप ये सब करो. आप अगर अपने आप से अपने लिए टारगेट्स बना सकते हो तो वेरी गुड, यू कैन डू दैट इज वेल. बट मोस्ट ऑफ अस जब हम अपने आप से अपने लिए टारगेट बनाते हैं तो हम इनिशियली वी आर एबल टू मीट दोज टारगेट्स, बट देन समवेयर इन द मिडिल वी लूज ट्रैक. एंड दैट इज वाई वी नीड एन एक्सटर्नल फोर्स टू टेल यू कि आज ये, अब इस डेट पे ये एग्जाम आने वाला है, इस डेट पे ये टेस्ट आने वाला है, राइट? लेकिन अगर आप खुद से भी अपने आप को टारगेट्स दे सकते हो, वेल एंड गुड, देयर इज नो कंपल्शन, बट दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट आर अवेलेबल, सो यू कैन टेक देम एंड यूज देम. Especially the extension courses, that is why we have given them as combo packs, कि आपको कुछ भी अलग अलग ना खरीदना पड़े. So all the inclusions have been given in the extension plans as well, which is the INI-CET extension plan as well as the other extension plan, right? So those are the few things, Ruchira, that I would want you to do. And then maybe you can let me know what exactly are your concerns so that I can help you further with the strategy beta. Okay?
Now, what we have done is to help students with the delayed exams. What we have done is we have added a short-term subscription in everything. Like, so this was not there in 2020. Now we have added. You can see how fast we have improvised. That because the INI-CET is delayed, so you can actually take a 1-month subscription of INI-CET TND and utilize the delay. मुझे लगता है डिले है, अब अच्छा है कि बुरा है ये तो हम नहीं जानते, लेकिन यू कैन मेक द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ द डिले एंड पुश हार्डर ऑन टू इट. Then even like, and there are different kind of tests and discussions, and I just wanted you to know each of them has different set of questions.
Yeah. So there are no same questions.
So what will happen is, just in case you need another set of TND to rapidly cover up, we have created that option, and almost all of them come with a short-term subscription option of 1 month or 3 month or 2 month, like that, just to make sure that there is something in it for you, just in case you are looking for a kind of a course which is specially tailored to you. That option is there.
Okay. Tanvi is asking that she has already completed notes of 18 subjects in 3rd year, right? How should I now approach my 4th year? Now, since I do not know the details, Tanvi, right? When you say you have completed notes, I just hope that you have attended the classes, right? It's very important to attend the class and clear concepts, because most of the exams are moving towards concept-based questions and application questions, right? Now coming to your query, you are saying that you have finished reading the notes or writing the notes of all these subjects in your 3rd year, and now you're in the 4th year. So what I would suggest, Tanvi, is, because it is very likely that you could have coming up next year, you be mentally prepared for it. So you are currently in the final year. I will seriously suggest you that you have an advantage that you have already finished your classes. So what you could do is you could start with a TND program in the final year itself, and then take it in the internship year if required as again, right? How it will help you in the final year is you could specially combine the final year or the 3rd and 4th year subjects and do them very thoroughly along with the TND sessions, right? If you feel that your concepts in certain subjects are weak or you have incomplete data, then maybe a master plan would help you, which will give you the latest videos which cover the updated things as well. But I would suggest that since you've already done the classes in your 3rd year itself of all the subjects, what you could do is in the 4th year go join a TND program. And start doing the 3rd and 4th year subject TNDs right now. It will give you an extra edge over others.
Now what will happen is, यहाँ पे ना मैं थोड़ा सा ऐड करना चाहता हूँ, because I see a lot of final years tagging me in the chat box कि सर फाइनल ईयर में मैं क्या ऐसा करूं अगर मैं प्री फाउंडेशन दोनों कर चुका हूं डैम्स के साथ. सो डॉक्टर दीप्ति हैज राइटली आंसर्ड कि टेस्ट एंड डिस्कशन इज द आइडियली टेलर्ड कोर्स फॉर यू. But there is something which you can add here, like it has to be individualized. अगर आपको लगता है कि आपने प्री फाउंडेशन में अच्छे से नहीं पढ़ा था या आपको लगता है नोट्स नहीं बना पाए थे किसी कारण से, then integrated regular either on app or on satellite or on face to face is a very good idea to revise also, because the whole curriculum would be running in a different flow altogether from the past.
Yes.
second is that नहीं आपको लगता है कि नहीं मैंने तो सर बहुत अच्छे से कर लिया, मुझे सिर्फ थोड़े सब्जेक्ट्स के वीडियो को कभी कभी देखना पड़ेगा. सो डैम्स मास्टर प्लान इज अ गुड एड ऑन टू दी our TND course. You can add a short-term subscription of the DAMS master plan, and for the DAMS master plan, don't forget the coupon code right now for this month is PRENEET20.
Yeah, that will give you a 20% discount on the master plan.
Yes. And I think, we've taken those queries, and I also another thing that a lot of people were asking us is, sir, when we try to call up the DAMS numbers, they are always, sometimes coming busy and all those stuff. It's happening because of the lockdown. Now what we have done is we have migrated the call center to WhatsApp also. So what you can do is there is a dedicated WhatsApp number available, 9899664533. It's an easy to remember number, and with this you can WhatsApp the team and they can answer you on the WhatsApp.
Yeah.
So that, and they
you can will be taken individually.
Yes, and it can be taken care of more easy. We have tried to reduce the waiting times by introducing a dedicated centralized WhatsApp number. This goes directly to the Delhi head office.
Okay, so I think we can wind up the session here. We've taken most of your queries. For any of you who want to reach out to me or Dr. Sumay personally.
Somebody's asked what is the difference between NEET TND and fast track. Maybe you can answer.
Okay, so beta naam mein hi farak hai. When we say fast track TND, it is basically made for revision close to the exam. So it is shorter duration videos, right? Maybe lesser number of questions as well. Whereas when we talk about NEET TND, it is a complete program by itself. It has all the inclusions in it, which means DQB, test series, integrated sessions, clinical grand rounds, right? So all those DVT, AIMS capsule, all those special things are a part of NEET TND. It is a complete program by itself. Okay, whereas the questions are going to be more, the discussions are going to be more thorough, they're going to be more detailed. Fast track was something that we had launched this year in the beginning when the NEET PG was postponed. So students wanted a program for revision close to the exam. अब तो क्या हो गया, वो बार बार ही पोस्टपोन होता चला जा रहा है. So I don't know that is the dilemma. Okay, so I hope I've cleared your query on the difference between NEET TND and fast track TND. Fast track TND does not come with any inclusions. NEET TND will come with all inclusions, okay, except the talking CRS and the concept books. They're not part of the NEET TND. But DVT sessions, AIMS capsule, as I said, any special sessions that we do, like integrated sessions on Tuesdays or clinical grand rounds on Wednesdays, they are all part of the NEET TND program. It also gives you access to previous year papers, whether it is INI CET papers or NEET TND papers with videos, right? SWTs with videos. So everything is included in the NEET TND, right?
And I see a lot of students have asked a question to me in the inbox also, is that, sir, what is the difference between master plan and the ultimate live course? देखो, मास्टर प्लान इज 2021 में जो हमने सब्जेक्ट वाइज लेक्चर्स किए सारे, उनका पूरा DVL, उनका पूरा डैम्स वीडियो लाइब्रेरी, नया क्वेश्चन बैंक DQB with the system wise Q bank, clinical vignettes, etc., and the online test series with नए SWTs and the GTs and everything included into it. So it is online test series, DQB, and the new video lectures. So it is already preloaded with all the lectures, and it is a self-paced course, and that is, you can do it at your own convenience. While Ultimate Live course is a live course. That means it is two-way interactive teaching. When you join in on the day one, you get almost all the subjects video lectures for your comfort. Plus every day there is some live teaching happening, every weekend some teaching is happening in an integrated manner, and it will cover all this, and those lectures will also be saved for you for later on review. And plus weekly there will be integrated rounds, clinical rounds. So a lot of live activity will be happening in addition to what Ultimate Live course is just like a flagship DAMS app course, which is similar to what we do in our regular course. Like I'm sure your senior must have told you that a lot of students would come to Delhi to do our DAMS regular course. So now the same quality of DAMS regular course is also on the app in the Ultimate Live course. So Ultimate Live course would have maximum inclusions and live teaching. So live teaching is two-way interactive. That is the difference. Okay,
Anushri, I think that's the last query we would take. Anushri is saying that she's an intern. She's in the regular batch currently. And her integrated classes will begin on 17th of July. Till then, what subject should I attend and complete? I think, Anushri, it totally depends on two aspects. You could cover things either which you find very lengthy, so वो थोड़ा सा शुरू कर सकते हो, or subject that you find difficult for yourself. Okay. But the third way is what I would have done. I would have simply followed the schedule. So अभी जो आपको regular batch का schedule चल रहा है, उसको करो. उससे आपको rhythm अपना नहीं बनाना है, आपके लिए बना हुआ है. So it will ensure कि आप कुछ ना कुछ कर रहे हो till your integrated program starts, and it will always add value to your to your knowledge. So either of the three things, either you do a subject that you find is very lengthy or voluminous, do a subject that you feel is difficult for you, you can't retain it, or do a simply follow the schedule of the current year regular classes because you're already enrolled in the regular program.
And for the students who are looking forward to join a face-to-face center and are in a dilemma because of the government-induced lockdowns, so what I would say is there are two options. One is you can join a face-to-face center anywhere of your choice. Like suppose you want to join in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Delhi, wherever you want to join, you can join it. And your app-based classes will start immediately, and as soon as the government allows, the curriculum will shift to the face-to-face. And when the face-to-face starts, then also you will keep getting the app access as well.
Yes, so we are not going to close down the app at all.
I see a lot of people spreading rumors like this कि एक बार क्लास छुड़ेगी तो ऐप नहीं मिलेगा. अब इतनी मेहनत हमने की, इतना साल लगा के इंफ्रा बनाया, तो ऐप एक्सेस तो अब ये डैम्स के कोर्सेज का भाग ही है. हाइब्रिड बन चुका है हमारा प्रोग्राम, ये चलेगा. लेकिन इसके अलावा मैं एक चीज और आई वांटेड टू टेल इज दैट देयर आर सम स्टूडेंट्स हु आर एप्रीहेंसिव कि नहीं मुझे अगर फेस टू फेस खुलेगा तभी मैं फेस टू फेस क्लास में आऊंगा. तो व्हाट वी हैव क्रिएटेड इज अ सॉल्यूशन दैट यू कैन टेक अ शॉर्ट टर्म सब्सक्रिप्शन ऑफ द डैम्स मास्टर प्लान. Start your study, don't delay your study, and maybe you can take a 3-month subscription. उसके अंदर हमने छोटा subscription डाल दिए. And when you come to Delhi or to the classroom center, you can ask us to help you in the fees, and we will try to adjust that fees somehow.
Yeah. Okay, Rishabh has a query. Rishabh says he's not done medicine notes till now. Can I wait for integrated batch? Yes, you can absolutely do that, Rishabh. मेडिसिन इंटीग्रेटेड पढ़ने में जो मजा है, आई थिंक वो और कोई सब्जेक्ट इंटीग्रेटेड पढ़ने में मजा नहीं है. एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग टू बी लिंक्ड टू मेडिसिन. सो नाउ नॉट ओनली ऋषभ तू मेडिसिन पढ़ेगा, बट यू विल एक्चुअली probably see it very crystal clear and very precise and concise, because you will be able to connect things to medicine, because everything actually boils down to medicine only. चाहे वो फिजियो हो या वो एंडोक्रिनोलॉजी हो या some I would say even patho, even microbiology, even genetics for that matter, pharmacology, they're all going to be an integral part of medicine. So you can definitely wait, Rishabh, मगर तब तक कुछ ना कुछ और जरूर करना है, खाली वेट नहीं करना है बच्चे, ठीक है?
And I also wanted to answer one query. The students who have already joined with us, we have already told them कि जो regular course है आपका या उसका जो regular course है या satellite regular है, उनका access of the videos is till March 2022, March 31st 2022. Don't worry about that. और जो अब जो हम जून जुलाई के बाद जो स्टूडेंट्स आएंगे, हम वहां पे उनके लिए नया एंड पॉइंट भी डिफाइन करेंगे. बेस्ड ऑन योर डेट ऑफ ज्वाइनिंग हम वो भी बनाएंगे. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट, है ना. एंड फॉर अल्टीमेट लाइफ कोर्स यू हैव ऑलरेडी क्लियर कट enrollments on 12 month 18 month आपने वैसे कर ही रखा.
अभिषेक बार बार ये डाउट लिख, अभिषेक सर has just answered your query बेटा. बिल्कुल, the videos will definitely stay till March 31. In fact, जो बच्चे अब ज्वाइन करेंगे उनके लिए the videos would be available for a longer time as well. Okay, so don't really worry about 2022. We know that the entire curriculum has shifted, and similarly our programs ka curriculum has also shifted. So don't worry, we go parallel with the curriculum of the exam itself, right?
So I think we have been able to take most of your queries and most of your doubts regarding, I think, and these were the things which were flooding our inboxes. So we thought we will come live on the group itself and give you a quick review of what do we recommend for different populations and what is our interpretation of the courses. And yes, I want to answer a question by Anushri के सर जो सब्जेक्ट इंटीग्रेट नहीं होंगे क्या वो पढ़ाए जाएंगे? डेफिनेटली. आई एम अगेन रिपीटिंग, in integrated curriculum every subject, every topic will be covered. चाहे एनेस्थीसिया है, चाहे डर्मेटोलॉजी है, जो इंटीग्रेट नहीं हो सकता वो अलग से पढ़ाया जाएगा, सो दैट वी कवर एवरीथिंग. वी विल नॉट लीव एनीथिंग अनटच्ड. एक एक टॉपिक, एक एक क्वेश्चन कवर करके जाएंगे.
अनुश्री, कहीं ना कहीं ऑब्जन गाइनी भी हम इंटीग्रेट करते ही हैं. डोंट यू वरी. डीवीटी में वी हैड गिवन यू अ लिटिल a preview. We will, there are certain parts which are going to be integrated. The rest of it will be taken as thoroughly as we also do in a regular batch. Okay?
And now I think we have taken, Shantanu has a query. No, so beta Shantanu, I would want you to carry the concept book in your classroom. And once you make that habit, you will find gradually you will get used to the idea of having the concept book with you. A lot of teachers actually would strictly ask you to do it. Some of them will be soft कि ले आओ ना लाओ आपके ऊपर है, लेकिन ज्यादातर टीचर होंगे वो तो स्ट्रिक्ट होंगे. जैसे मैं बोलूंगा लेके आनी मेरी क्लास में,
मैं भी बोलूंगी,
है ना. और कई टीचर तो उसमें क्या होगा, जब आप लेके आओगे कॉन्सेप्ट बुक ना, सो लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स you can mark in the concept book itself, and you can write and mark in the concept book itself, and then it will become then you will see the merger happening, that your
actually,
notes and the concept book is same.
There are certain topics where it might swap, है ना. So कुछ topics हैं जो क्लास में ज्यादा elaborate आपको लग रहे होंगे, concept book में छोटा लग रहा होगा, because the way we put across things makes a difference. और हो सकता है कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट्स होंगे जो वाइसी वर्सा भी हो, जो आपको बुक में लग रहा होगा कि थोड़ा लंबा दिया है मगर नोट्स में कंसाइज करके पढ़ाया गया, बिकॉज सिंपली इट कुड बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू दैट मैनर, राइट. सो एज सर सेड, make it a habit that you sit with your concept books, and if you're not sitting with them, you read it on the same day. Those topics that you've done in the class, you're reading from the concept book and you are doing the worksheets as well. Believe me, they will be very, very, very useful to you. Okay?
And I just wanted you to read a line with me. Okay? No matter how hard it is, or no matter how hard it gets, I'm going to make it. The very important line, and I want all of you to understand it, कि आज जो टाइम चल रहा है वो आसान नहीं है. इट इज नॉट इजी, मुश्किल है. एग्जाम की जो आज डिले हो रही है वो मैंने आज तक अपने पूरे करियर में कभी ऐसी डिलेज नहीं देखी है कि हर बार एग्जाम डिले हो रहा है. कभी कोर्ट, कभी पैंडेमिक, कभी लॉकडाउन, ऐसा मैंने कभी अपने करियर में नहीं देखा है. yes. और जिस तरह का आज एक पैंडेमिक का एनवायरनमेंट है, मैंने अपने पूरे जीवन में नहीं देखा है इस तरह से कुछ. जब से होश संभाला है तब से, उससे पहले तो पता नहीं. लाइक दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ सिनेरियो आई हैव नेवर सीन सच हार्ड टाइम्स. सो चीजें मुश्किल हैं, इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है. जिंदगी मुश्किल है, आज टाइम भी मुश्किल है, लेकिन मैं चाहता हूं आप स्ट्रांग रहें और कोशिश करें कि अपने सपनों के लिए खड़े रहें, अपने परिवार के लिए, अपने हेल्थ के लिए आप खड़े रहें. यू हैव टू हैव द स्ट्रेंथ. थोड़ा बड़ा होना पड़ेगा. मैंने पहले भी बोला, मैं दोबारा भी आज अपने वीडियो में एक ही बात बोलूंगा कि हम हमेशा आपको कहते हैं कि बच्चे मेहनत करो, आप छोटे हैं अभी कर लोगे, बट थोड़ा सा मुश्किल समय में ना बड़ा होना पड़ता है. मैंने ये देखा जब परिवार पे मुश्किल आती है तो बच्चे जल्दी बड़े हो जाते हैं. तो आज इस मुश्किल समय में यू हैव टू ग्रो अप, टेक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. आपको लेनी पड़ेगी, कई जगह पे लेनी पड़ेगी, फैमिली की भी लेनी पड़ेगी, अपनी हेल्थ की भी लेनी पड़ेगी, करियर की भी लेनी पड़ेगी. डिले होगा तो भी हैंडल करना पड़ेगा, करना तो पड़ेगा, है ना. तो आई कीप टेलिंग ऑल दिस के व्हेन आई वाज इन माय स्कूल, we had a delay in the board exams because of some nationwide strikes happening. Lord, I have seen so much unpredictability happening over the years that I'm kind of okay with it कि यार जितना unpredictable लाएंगे उतना मैं और मजबूत हो जाऊंगा. मुझे ये लगता है, मैं आपके लिए भी ये चाहता हूं कि you get the strength and you emerge stronger from this difficult times. आप उससे और strong और मजबूत और रिस्पॉन्सिबल इमर्ज करें. मुझे ऐसा लगता है आप कर पाएंगे, थोड़ी मेहनत करेंगे, सब कुछ हो जाएगा. बिकॉज मैंने एक मेरे यूट्यूब वीडियो में भी पहले भी कहा था, मैं आज रिपीट करूंगा कि पिछले साल 2020 के अंदर इफ यू नोटिस, अमेरिका में सारी बड़ी बड़ी कंपनी में उन्होंने सीईओ इंडियन लोगों को बना दिया, क्योंकि उनको पता था कि जब चीजें मुश्किल होंगी यही लोग संभाल पाएंगे. इफ यू सी गूगल में देखो, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट में देखो, हर जगह इंडियन लोग खड़े, क्योंकि उनको पता है. हमें आदत है थोड़ा सा अनप्रेडिक्टेबिलिटी झेलने की. हमें पता है चीजें बदलती हैं, कभी डेट लेट आती है, कभी जल्दी हो जाती है, कभी क्या हो रहा है, लेकिन हम कर लेते हैं, हम मजबूत हैं. तो मुझे आपसे वो ताकत चाहिए, वो सख्त आपके अंदर से एक वो चाहिए कि यार नहीं, कर दिखाऊंगा, है ना. सो लेट्स स्टैंड अप, लेट्स गो स्ट्रांग, लेट्स ग्रो अप, लेट्स बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर फैमिली, हेल्थ एंड करियर, ऑल थ्री पुट टुगेदर.
Okay, so before I just give you a little message at the end, there are I think 2 queries pending. So Nabodita is asking, do you recommend taking TND and face-to-face together? Well, Nabodita, I truly believe that the first thing has to be the content and not the MCQs, okay? So first you have to build your content. Once you have built your content, then is the time to learn exam skill or how to solve MCQs. So, I would suggest doing a TND only if you have the content with you, because otherwise you don't know what to read, and when your concepts are clear. Okay, so most people will not be able to manage the two together, but I believe there are different kinds of people. They have different abilities. So, you can see if you're good with concepts or grasping concepts, and you have your content with you, then yes, you could do the TND simultaneously as well. But as I said, most people may not be able to manage the two things together. They do it as a follow-up program, right? So they would finish their classes first, and then they would take up a TND program to learn the exam skill, approach to MCQs, updates, and things like that, okay? And Rajesh, from July they would start on the satellite centers, and then face-to-face also, as different states or cities start giving us permissions, they will start in the respective face-to-face centers as well. But they would
want to add, even if the face-to-face centers may have some delay in some cities, for every city on the app a separate course will be started, and जैसे एक कोर्स होगा डैम्स बैंगलोर, डैम्स हैदराबाद, डैम्स मुंबई, अलग अलग शुरू कर देंगे, so that the course will start continuing पूरे इंडिया में सेम पेस पे सेम टाइम से शुरू हो जाएगा, so that nobody is behind anybody. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए ना कि एक शहर में लॉकडाउन है, इस कारण से उसको एक कोई डिसएडवांटेज हो, ऐसा नहीं होगा. ऐप पे सबका अपना अपना बैच शुरू हो जाएगा और एक शेड्यूल नोटिफाई हो जाएगा. जैसे ही गवर्नमेंट लॉकडाउन ईज करेगी उस शहर में, हम क्लासरूम में शिफ्ट कर देंगे.
Okay, so my little take-home message today is, and this will hold true for whether you are an exam going this year or not, which means maybe you're a junior batch. What we have to learn is that circumstances will keep changing, okay? They may favor you sometimes, they may not be so favorable the other times. What keeps one going and in the end performing well is someone who has their priorities right and someone who can ensure consistency. So, those are the 2 things that you have to learn. So even if you are sitting at home because of the delay and frustrated because of the exam postponements, you have to ensure that you get these 2 things right. Get your priorities right and get some consistency. If you have these 2, I am sure you'll be able to manage the rest of it. The same advice I would like to give to your junior batches who probably have exams next year or even later. You have a long time to go. So, don't get burnt out. That's what I would say. Ensure that you have your priorities set. So don't go overboard also, but ensure that you're consistent every single day of your life. The 2 things will take you very far in life. These 2 things hold true no matter at what age you are, in what phase of life you are. Okay? So in whatever you are doing, उसमें consistent रहना पड़ेगा, बार बार करना पड़ेगा, रोज करना पड़ेगा, even if it is boring, even if it is tiring, even if it is frustrating. Okay? और priorities set करनी पड़ेंगी. Right? So that is what I would leave you all as a message with. Try and include these 2 things in your life. You will see the change that you need at this particular time. Rest, I would say, stay safe. Lockdowns are opening up, but take all precautions. Keep wearing your masks, get vaccinated, take care of yourself and your family. stay healthy and keep smiling. Okay.
एंड टू कंक्लूड आई से, जब भी आप बड़ा सपना देखते हैं, जब भी आपने कोई बड़ा सपना सोचा, तो मेहनत का दर्द आएगा, साथ में डर का दर्द भी आएगा कि डर भी लगेगा, मेहनत भी, और अनप्रेडिक्टेबिलिटी का दर्द भी आएगा, एग्जाम पता नहीं कब होगा, नहीं होगा, क्या होगा, मेरा क्या होगा, होगा कि नहीं होगा. एंड एक हमेशा एक मतलब यू विल ऑलवेज हैव पेन. Whenever you dream big, dreams come with pain. But when you feel the pain and when you grow with it, when you look back at the current day, years later, you will find कि आज ही के दिन के कारण आप वो बन पाओगे जो उस दिन आप बन चुके होगी. आपकी स्ट्रेंथ हो जाएगी. मतलब every time we suffer, we grow and we grow and we grow into more stronger individuals and we reach to the heights which we were unable to reach earlier. हम वहां तक पहुंच जाते हैं, वो ताकत हमारे में आ जाती है. आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. आई एम श्योर आप कर पाएंगे. इस मुश्किल टाइम को आप और अच्छे से यूज भी कर पाएंगे और आई थिंक स्ट्रांग भी बन पाएंगे. आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. लेट्स स्टे सेफ एंड टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ. गॉड ब्लेस यू. बाय.